Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter P with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and comment. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are the best. Try to watch the previous videos so that you can be able to understand this video. To learn how to read and write in English language, you must first of all know how to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The English alphabet comes in the small letter and the capital letter. The small letter P and the capital letter P is the 16th letter of the alphabet. The first trick you need to know is that the English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter P is pronounced as P, P, P. Let me give you a trick for you to always remember the sound. P is a sound that is made by most vehicle horn. P, 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 P. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the letter P sound. When pronouncing the letter P, the lips is pressed together at the initial sound, then opens a little at the later sound. P, P. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter P is P. 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 The mouth is pushed forward to blow out air when pronouncing the P sound. What part of the mouth do you think was very important in pronouncing the P sound? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter P sounds P. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter P sounds P are P as in pot, P as in pig, P as in pen. Another trick I'll tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a curve, a stroke, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. The small letter P is formed with a stroke and a curve to the right. The capital letter P is also formed with a stroke and a curve to the right. So, what is the difference between the small letter P and the capital letter P? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.